Mae rai fi ddeud, dwi yn licio her. I do like a challenge. So when Gethyn Owen, who runs the fishing charter company Go Angling, contacted me in response to an advert asking if people wanted placards saying, can you also manufacture a one-off flag? I'll fly it high and proud above my way too. That's his fishing boat. Well, had to be done. Peth nesa. O'n i'n chwilio I weld lle mae posib cael banner. Ac wrth gwrs, fel efo popeth arall y dyddiau yma, mi oedd posib cael un mewn dim amser. Felly ffwrdd fi I Gergybi I roi banner yn bresant I Gethyn. It was great to be able to present the flag to Gethyn. Challenge completed, and I had a chat with him. I asked him first why he'd decided to vote for me and for Plaid Cymru.
I've never been political in the past, and things have changed recently. Through the pandemic, you've seen various grants coming out, various support, this, that and the other for other people, and I'm not jealous of that. Everyone needs support, but we've had nothing, and we've tried to fight for different things. And in fairness, it's only Plaid Cymru that's taken an interest, and especially yourself, obviously on Anglesey and everything like that. And it's not just taking an interest, there's been regular contact. We've tried with the Tory party, Labour, everybody, and no one seems to want to know. So it makes you think about what's the best thing for Anglesey, what's the best thing for Wales. You know, the people that actually care and take an interest in what you're doing. And it's really made me reevaluate everything I've thought of about politics and politicians beforehand.
And it's made you think differently about Wales and everything,
hasn't it?
Of
course it has. Yeah, yes, Cymru and everything like that. And it's like, can Wales go it alone? Let's try. Yeah. We've got nothing to lose. We've got everything to gain, I think, if Wales can push forward and stand on its own 2 feet. With people like yourself that want it to happen, that have the drive and the positivity to do it.
And it's also, you know, that argument aside, whatever we do, whether we're looking for better health services or better help for business, working as a community is really important. And I think the past years taught us a lot about that as well.
I think so, definitely. There's a lot of things that have happened where people have been helping each other out. I've been fortunate to have a few things come my way to keep me going. And we were talking earlier that we raised a bit of money for Ysgol Llangwyd, and then other things have happened where we've donated prizes to them. And every time we've done a rig sale or something like that, we donated to the lifeboats. Just keeping that little bit, because everybody's suffering. Everybody in many different ways. So I think, as you said, as a community, we have to do our little bit.
Mi soniodd Gethyn yn fyna am godi arian i'r bad achub, ac mi oedd na ail ran i'r her yma. Croeso i'r stori I un o wir mawr Môn, Seren Hollywood, cyflwynydd rhaglenni sgota ar y teledu, a ffrind I Gethyn, Julian Lewis-Jones. Nôl at y sgwrs na ar Facebook, mi ofynodd Gethyn I Julian os ydi rhywun yn sortio'r fanner, pam na nwch i'ch dau harwyddo hi, yn o'n I rhoi hi ar ocsiwn I godi arian i'r bad achub yn lleol. Ac wrth gwrs, mi gytunodd Julian yn syth.
Chowther Bay and Holyhead lifeboat stations, you know, the two that serve myself extremely well.
So the famous Gethyn Owen Go Angling flag is going to be up for sale for a good cause.
Definitely.
Get your bids in now.
We'll even have a photo of Julian to go with it.
Better have. Geth, diolch yn fawr iawn ti.
Na, be'n iawn.